Welcome to another episode of 4x4 Explore. We are still in the Atherton Tablelands and we have found a great camp spot at Upper Davies Creek campsite. Our camping ground for tonight, right next to the creek. Look at this, what a gem of a spot, absolutely superb. This is the kind of campsite we've been seeking. They're absolutely fantastic. And then our campsite is just there, and it's for us. We are that's our campsite. Nobody else will come here. That's awesome. I am a bit nervous. I am going to drive out of camp today. So, all right, for experienced four-wheel driver, you are going to laugh, all right? But remember, it will be my first time using the 79 series off-track. So this is what I have to drive up to. And frankly, I am a bit nervous because the car, it's his baby. And I think he might be a bit nervous to see me driving too. Can I have the car keys?
You had it.
All right. Let's get this beast started. I better arrange my seat a bit because I'm short-legged. Right, I think I am in two-wheel drive.
Just manoeuvre around so you're in line.
Roger! Safety first.
Just waiting for her to get in line. It's her first off-road on her own. It's pretty four-wheel drive.
Four-wheel drive, low range, right?
Low range. Lift it. Yeah, it's got to be in neutral. Try moving forward, see if you can gear. Got to put it into neutral.
Yeah.
And then you've got to put it into low range. You've got to lift it.
Yeah.
Lift the stick and move it across.
I've done it.
Try it. If you're gonna,
yeah, I've done it.
then you're going to hit a tree. Take 3. Both hands on the wheel. Don't nip touch your clutch, just on the reds, bit more gas.
I think I've done it.
You missed me falling over though, didn't you?
I did completely, yeah.
Right, now you shouldn't need any other gear than second and third now.
Okay.
if you're going to crash the opposite way to the drop.
Yeah. Fair enough.
And when you go dropping down hills, you need less, but just enough gas to keep the engine ticking. Because if you come off right off,
Yeah.
that's putting all the pressure on the clutch.
Right.
Where if you just got a little bit of revs like that, the engine's keeping it. So you ease off the gas now for this bend, and it'll slow.
Yeah.
You don't need your brakes.
Yeah.
You're looking round the bend, it's
Yes.
clear. Stay wide.
Yes.
Always come to a corner wide,
Yes.
and then you've got more room to play with as you come into it. And then when you come to a left-hand one, you need to be fairly tight. But if you're wide out now,
Yeah, I can
and you
see.
can see further around that bend, and
Yeah.
you see it's clear.
Yes. Oh, I feel like I'm in a driving lesson. You are. The
your
drop is quite steep, isn't it, Keith?
Yeah?
Huh? I hope no car's going to come in front because I
Slow
will
down
be
before, stay wide. Stay
polluted.
wide,
Yes.
slow down.
Because if a car's come right now in front of me,
You've got all that room to move to your left. You've got loads of room. There you
know.
are, it's clear.
we can see it's clear. Thanks God for that. If you suffer from vertigo like I do, well, this drive is not for the faint-hearted. Oh, we wanted to go and have a look at the fall. So we are going to go and have a look at the fall. Oh well, that was really worth the 200-meter walk for sure. Look at this. Our journey through the picturesque Upper Davies Creek campsite in the Atherton Tableland has been nothing short of incredible. We scored the perfect campsite, complete with a private creek and refreshing waterfall. Exactement the type of camp we've been looking for. But now, my friends, we are leaving you with a mystery to unravel. What exactly did Keith do before embarking on this off-road escapade? Drop your guesses in the comment below. Don't forget to stay tuned for more episodes. Our Landcruiser journey is just the beginning and we can't wait to share more adventures with all of you. Until next time, happy exploring!